MTA Hanoi 2016, the exhibition dedicated to serving the needs of manufacturing industry in the north of Vietnam, officially returned with its 4th edition from 26 to 28 April 2016 at International Center for Exhibition in Hanoi, Vietnam. The opening ceremony of MTA Hanoi had the pleasure to welcoming the honored guests from Vietnam and international organizations. In particular, Mr. Trần Quốc Khánh, Deputy Minister, Vietnam Ministry of Science and Technology, Mr. Đỗ Thắng Hải, Deputy Minister, Vietnam Ministry of Industry and Trade, Mr. Vũ Tiến Lộc, Chairman, Vietnam Chambers of Commerce and Industry. Proudly with us this year were 175 exhibiting companies from 19 countries and regions, a healthy 22% increase over the previous edition. We also represent 4 international group pavilions: Korea, Singapore, and Taiwan. MTA Hanoi strives to represent the entire value chains of the industrial production process for metal parts and components, from those required for consumer products to precision components in high technology application. From raw metal cutting and machining, to metal parts forming, to assembly processes, to surface finishing, to quality control, testing, and final packings for export or sales.
We are here mainly to serve the manufacturing industry in Vietnam and to form the supply chain of the manufacturing sector. Yeah. We have been at the MTA since 2007 and we have been back many years. This time I think show has also shown that the market is growing. We are seeing in terms of more and more quality visitors to the show, so we are glad to be here.
So my name is Carlos Gazio. I'm Managing Director for Southeast Asia for GF Machining Solutions. We are very happy to join this exhibition because last year we opened a sales company in Hanoi, and really this year is an opportunity to expose our brand in Hanoi. So for us it's a very good experience.
Hello, I'm Fred from Amaya. Amaya, we are making cutting tools in France since 1993. We supply different industry like aerospace, automotive and mold and die industry. And we expect good feedback from this show because this is our first time in Vietnam. I meet very enthusiastic people and it's nice to see that there is a good organization and very good feedback from the customer around.
My name is Bernd Eckert. I am from GERB Vibration Control, which is a German company based in Germany. This is our first time to participate at this exhibition here, and I must say so far we established good contacts and we focus on the machinery fields and also, if possible, on the power plant industry.
Công ty của tôi thì như trong gian triển lãm các bạn nhìn thấy là có cả sản phẩm mà chúng tôi tự sản xuất và sản phẩm mà chúng tôi làm đại diện thương mại. Theo mình đánh giá thì triển lãm MTA lần này làm công tác PR tốt hơn những năm trước. Đấy là cái lượng khách hàng đến triển lãm đông hơn và chất lượng hơn. Tức là cái lượng người đến và cái đối tượng thực sự quan tâm là đến nhiều hơn.
Anh tham gia triển lãm MTA này đây là lần thứ 6. Nói chung là cách tổ chức của MTA thì một cái hình thức tổ chức cũng rất là tốt giữa các nhà cung cấp lớn, ví dụ như Makino, ví dụ như Sodic, ví dụ như là Victronic, ví dụ như Trump, thì nó tạo nên một cái sự lưu thông và tìm hiểu thiết bị rất là hợp lý để người ta tìm hiểu những công nghệ mới.
Thứ nhất là anh cũng rất là ấn tượng với ban tổ chức. Ban tổ chức rất là chu đáo, sắp xếp khách mời và đưa đón khách hàng. Đấy, cái đấy là một điều bên anh cảm thấy rất là ấn tượng.
Adding value to the exhibitions, MT Hanoi 2016 also hosted a series of educational technologies conference and seminars for managers and engineers in the regions. Speakers included prominent industry leaders, technical specialists, and researchers addressing cutting-edge issues that impact precision engineering, metalworking, machine tools, and manufacturing, as well as the latest trend and innovation available in the global market. 4 extensive conference programs had a decent present of more than 200 delegates, making it the most successful edition so far. MT Hanoi 2016 concluded with many favorable outcomes. We would like to announce that MT Hanoi will be organized on an annual cycle instead of the used to biennial cycles to cater to the industry demands.